another video. Actually, yeah, I think we are.
Maybe. First one in like 8 years. So today we're gonna be like bombing up the bath. It's gonna be pretty lit.
It's our first time using, you haven't used a bath bomb before, right?
No.
So this is gonna be pretty interesting. So
yeah,
make
no
sure
experience.
you hit that comment button.
Yeah, drop a dislike.
And make sure you don't watch the rest of this video.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the bomb. It's like mango or something. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna use it to turn my bathroom into a magical fairy tale land.
Yeah. And we're gonna do the unboxing live on camera. Make sure to reply to that comment button right there.
Okay, so we're gonna unbox it right now. It's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, there's a little plastic wrap.
Has it officially unboxed?
Yeah.
It looks really soft, but it's not, and it's powdery.
Up here, it's
like
pretty soft.
Fruit Loops and stuff.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it in the bath, and we're gonna see what happens. This is the magical part where we put the bathtub on. Whoa, whoa. That's a good temp. All right. Is like somewhat full, and we have the bath bomb right here, and I'm gonna get it in. I'm just wearing like a white t-shirt to see if my shirt turns like rainbow, and I'm wearing a bathing suit because that makes sense.
Okay, we dropped the bomb. Now it's in here.
I feel like I'm taking a bath in Gatorade. I'm gonna put it over here a little bit. Whoa, it's fizzy.
Can you bring it out?
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, put it in.
It's so weird.
Where did it go?
Lay down.
Yo.
What does it feel like?
It just feels like water, but it's blue. I feel like I'm in Hawaii.
Tip your head. Drink.
No. It's like a little munchkin.
Hear the fizzing.
Drop it. Whoa. This is actually kind of anticlimactic.
Yeah, we thought it would like blow up the world or something, but dang. It's just not our job, I guess. Sorry guys, wasn't even using that pop socket the whole time. The video might be a little low quality.
Goodbye, my friend. It's almost gone. Rip. Can we get a rip in the chat for this pop socket? Wait, no. Wait, it's gone.
It's gone.
Wait, no, it's not.
Oh, no, it's right there.
Oh.
Don't lose it.
I still have. There it is, the last part of the pop socket. Why do I keep calling it a pop
See,
socket?
the little blue thing and his pink fingers.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, rip.
Alright, okay, we're gonna lie down right now. This is so uncomfortable because I'm wearing a cotton t-shirt. Help. Whoa, what is that? Oh, never mind.
Drop a like.
I wish I bought more, but I didn't. I'm dipping my head.
Please subscribe on John's head. This is the end.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. I guess it's not.
We're gonna do fidget spinner tricks.
Uh-oh. You good?
I'm good.
Rip.
Do I look blue?
No.
Does it feel blue?
Blue Man Group.
I'm gonna chill in here.
Okay, next up we got fidget spinner tricks. Oh yeah, so this is the move that really got me on the map. This one's called Cool Guy Spin Trick. So you spin them both. Ooh. Swap them behind your back. They don't even know that happened. They just think you switched hands.
This one's called the hidden spinner. There's just one fidget spinner, but then if you turn around, there's another. It's bonus fidget spinner.
Okay guys, this is a real cool trick. It's cool guys only, danger warned. We have to put a disclaimer on this now. Very brutal gore. Rated G for General Gao Chicken. So here's the tricks. You gotta watch out. It could be a little gory. Spin it, and see. I accidentally cut myself. This is the real trick if you want to be a Jedi guy. Save this to your camera roll and repost it, and see how many copyrights you get. That's how many Jedi Knight points you get. Get 100 and you win. And ready?
Jedi. Okay, so thanks for watching our video. If you couldn't tell, that fidget spinner part was a joke. We're not actually like fidget spinner obsessed like the cool kids.
Yeah.
Fidget spinner. So thanks for watching our video. I think we made an outro. I made it. I'm gonna make an outro. So we're gonna cut to that like right now. So bye.